An effective website is an essential tool for modern hotel owners. Not only does it increase the visibility of your hotel, but it also provides a platform for customers to interact with your brand, make reservations, and gather information. In this list, we will outline 10 reasons why hotel owners need a website for their business. 1. Increased visibility. A website increases the online presence of your hotel, making it more discoverable to potential customers. 2. 24/7 availability. A website allows customers to access information about your hotel and make reservations 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 3. Better customer engagement. A website provides a platform for customers to interact with your hotel, ask questions, and provide feedback. 4. Competitive advantage. A website is a necessity in today's digital world, and having one gives you an edge over hotels that don't have one. 5. Cost-effective marketing. A website is a cost-effective way to market your hotel to a large audience, compared to traditional marketing methods. 6. Convenient bookings. A website allows customers to book rooms, view room availability, and make payments online, making the booking process more convenient. 7. Improved credibility. A well-designed website can improve the credibility of your hotel and give potential customers confidence in your brand. 8. Detailed information. A website can provide detailed information about your hotel, including photos, room descriptions, and local attractions. 9. Increased revenue. A website can help increase revenue by making it easier for customers to find and book rooms. 10. Analytics. A website provides valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences, which can be used to make data-driven decisions that improve your business. In conclusion, having a website for your hotel is a crucial step in establishing a strong online presence and providing customers with a convenient, efficient, and informative experience. By providing detailed information about your hotel, improving customer engagement, and increasing revenue, a website can help you stay ahead of the competition and grow your business. Don't miss out on the benefits that a website can bring to your hotel. Invest in a quality website today.